told you.
Previously on License 101 with Beauty by Dinah, today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing 3 different looks with the same hairstyle. This specific updo can be worn at any special events, or at work, or even on vacation. Let's get started with this hair tutorial. First, I will be parting C shapes in the front of the head. Using the rat tail comb to measure how wide the parts will be. Now that I have the exact measurements, I will be parting small diagonal lines. It's going to look like a triangle, but this is how you will want the heart to look like in the front. I will be going in with some molding to mold down any flyaways so that I can be able to get the perfect parted lines in the front. Right along, I will section out the front half of the head, then section out a 1/2 inch back. To clean up the lines, the braiding gel that I will be using is BTL. This is the best braiding gel that I've ever used. It keeps my lines looking super crisp and the braids looks very neat. And I really love this braiding gel. It doesn't give me any white cast and it's just perfect for braids, even twist. Like it's bomb. It's bomb.com. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. Yeah, just to let you guys know. I'm going to take small sections from each side to create stitch braiding. Taking out a small section of her hair from her sideburns. Then I'm going to be able to part the hair and then use the BTL braiding gel to be able to get crisp, clean lines. And then I will be starting my stitch braid on the other side of the head.
You say you're really deep, but I can tell you don't know what that means. You can swim in shallow waters, but it's gonna get you nowhere. And I'm way too good to waste my time on boys like you. Can you speak without a filter? Can you give me something better? I bet you do.
Now to achieve the super sleek bun, we're gonna be using some holding spray, and this is the Sexy Hair holding spray. I'm also gonna be using Chi Helmet Head holding spray. This is a very extreme, firm holding spray. Using my blow dryer to mold the hair to the right position. Pretty much for the front, I will be using the hair spray and a brush to brush the hair into place and blow dry it.
If you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Could you shut up for once, relax that eager tongue, and let me tell you something about myself.
So we're going to be molding the hair into a ponytail. Once I have the sleekness of the bun, going in and fixing the ponytail, I'm going to make sure that it looks neat and nice on both sides.
Can you give me something better? I bet you do. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Hey baby, if you want me to be with you, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Come on, give me something real. Doesn't have to be ideal, just a part of you that's honest.
Moving forward to the back half of the head, I will be spraying the Sexy Hair spray a generous amount and secure the ponytail. I would say do not be afraid to use a lot of hairspray because that is how the molding will create that sleek, perfect look.
I beg you do. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Hey baby, if you want me to be with you, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Come and give me something real, doesn't have to be ideal, just a part of you that's honest, that's all I want. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta.
Using the blow dryer, the temperatures are on cool and warm just to get the hair to be molded. I don't put it on super hot because it's gonna make the hair very sticky and it's gonna give white cast on the hair. So I only use warm and cool temperature. So I've pretty much molded all the hair. I'm going to put every single thing into a ponytail. So the hair is giving sleek and I am loving it. It's just so neat and nice and everything is just giving. I'm going to braid that ponytail into a braid and then I'm going to wrap it around itself into a bun. Using Sandex strips on the bun as a protector for the hair glue, and I'm gonna wrap that all over the bun just to protect the hair from any glue.
It's a spark, it's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say.
So I'm literally gonna be using one bundle for this hairstyle, and this bundle is from my hair vendor. I'm going to apply the hair glue all over the Sandex strips and I'm going to rotate the tracks all around that bun. Once I complete that part, I went ahead and added some red hair to the bun and this just gives it a little va-va-voom, okay? It looks really, really beautiful with some type of color in the messy updo.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers.
All right, guys, moving right along. Now we're going to be curling the ponytail and I'm going to be using a 1.5 inch barrel to curl the ponytail. And after I'm done curling, I'm going to pin it up using the smaller pins. So technically I am doing pin curls in the middle portion of the hairstyle. And literally I would say just play around with the pin curls because every pin curl is going to be different. Every updo is going to be different. So play around with it and see how you like the finishing look. Finishing up the bun, making sure I have my last pin curl intact. Then I'm going to move forward to the front pieces. I'm just going to curl them into place. With the curling, I just do click, click, turn, and then I release the curling iron. I've been curling hair for a while now, so curling hair it doesn't really take me that long to do. and then we are done. So this is kind of the first style, which is a messy updo. There is no definition. You guys see how beautiful it looks like? This is gorgeous. Now the second hairstyle, I'm going to be spraying the Sexy Hair hairspray on there, and this is going to give me a little bit more definition on the updo, where there's not going to be any flyaways. It's going to be super defined, and it's going to give the hair a little bit more volume on the top. Now for the second hairstyle, I will be adding some hair clips to the front. This will give the front a little bit more fullness. I bought these clips at the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to sew the clips onto the track and then clip it into place. Once I get the correct placement, I'm going to curl that hair once more. Now the third hairstyle is for the girls that are going to weddings, birthdays, baby showers, something that is of a special event. I just want to say thank you guys so much for showing this channel love, and I hope that everyone learns at least something from this video. Comment what you guys want to see on this channel, like and subscribe. See y'all in my next video. Bye.